Alchemist Radio.
Alright, let's go. I'm using the Brave browser and my Metamask wallet is in full screen mode. On the upper right corner, you'll see a green dot that tells us our wallet is connected on Ethereum mainnet. But what we need to do is switch to the Goerli Network, which will be our testing environment that we can experiment and drop NFTs in. Click on Add Network and it'll take us to the settings page. Click on Advanced and then turn on Show Test Networks. Next, scroll back up, click Experimental, and turn on Enable Gas Fee UI. I'm going to close this window, and if we click here, we will now be able to see that the Goerli network is selectable, which is colored with the blue dot instead of green. So click on the three dots and click on Account Details, and here you'll see your public address for this wallet. Click on the pencil icon and you'll be able to change the name of this wallet into something memorable. I'm naming it Creator Wallet because we will use this wallet to create NFT drops, and in a future tutorial I will show you how to create a different wallet just for minting your NFTs. I'm going back to the fjordnfts.com site, and on top here if you click Help and then on the left sidebar, click on how to create a Fjord drop. You'll see a drop down with a link on how to get Goerli test tokens, also known as Goerli ETH or Fake ETH, which we'll use to pay for gas fees. You'll see 3 links on how to get Goerli ETH, but my favorite way is the first link, the Goerli Faucet by Alchemy. The link is in the description below. Just sign in, and when you're done, you'll reach the Goerli Faucet page here. Go back to your Metamask wallet and click on your wallet name, which will copy your public address onto your clipboard. Go back to the Alchemy Goerli Faucet site and paste in your wallet's public address. Click on Send Me ETH, and success! You'll see this cool graphic. Next, we'll need to wrap some of our Goerli ETH and turn it into wheat, which we'll need for collateral on the Fjord site. So going back to the Fjord NFTs help docs, you'll find a link to our friends and partners, Balancers website where you can swap some ETH into wheat. The link is also in the description below. On the Balancer site, go to the upper right and click Connect Wallet. And then click on Metamask, and you'll find that your wallet is already selected to connect. Just click Next, click Connect, and you're good to go. So on the Balancer site where it says ETH, right below that you'll see that you have 0.2 ETH to play with. And I'm going to take half 0.1 of that ETH and swap it for wheat. Click Preview, click Confirm ETH Swap. A Metamask pop-up window will appear asking you to pay a gas fee and to confirm. Click Confirm. You'll see that the transaction is pending on the lower left here and on the upper right. Just wait until both animations are completely done. On the upper right, you'll know that the transaction is complete when you see this green chart icon. Click on it, and it'll take you to Etherscan. Here, you'll see a green check mark. Click on the clipboard icon to copy that contract address onto your clipboard. Now let's go back to Metamask Wallet and click on Assets. So our newly created wheat does not automatically show up in our wallet, so we'll just have to import it. Click on Import Tokens. So under the token address contract field, paste in the wheat contract that's in our clipboard. All the other fields will automatically fill up. Click on Add Custom Token. Click on Import Token. And finally, let's click on the name of our wallet, which is Creator Wallet. And under the Assets tab, you should see both our Goerli ETH and wheat ready for use. In our next tutorial, we are going to create a smart contract in just a few clicks to use in fjordnfts.com using Manifold XYZ. I'll see you there.